Welcome to Unix and Linux lab exercise 2. In this experiment, we are going to perform some program. So, we are going to execute some program. So, the first question is write a shell script to find the greatest of three numbers. So, I have already written all these programs. So, I will open and put it. So, vi mm, then great dot sh. So, this is the program. So, read n1 n2 and n3. So read is used to take the data from the user. Now we'll use if and else. Normal if and else is used to compare two numbers. So if n1 is greater than n2 and n2 is smaller than n3, so we'll print n1 is greater. Otherwise, if n2 is greater than n1 and n1 is greater than n3, then we'll print n2 is greater. Otherwise, we'll print n3 is greater. So now execute. Let's execute this program. So now we'll give three inputs. So suppose 12, 13, 14. So it will print 14 is the greater number. So now the next question is we have to write a shell script to find the grade for a given mark. So for that also we have to write vi grade dot sh. So now this is the grade program. So echo enter your total internal marks. So here through read IM we are getting the input from the user. Then the next is echo enter your external marks out of 100. Now in the next step what we are doing, we are converting external marks. We are getting the external marks 40 percentage. So after that we are adding internal marks with external marks. So let's see what will be the output. So it will ask you for the internal marks. So suppose you give 50 and after that it will ask for the external marks. So I will give 78. So your total grade is 81.2. So like this we have to do this program. Now the next question is we have to write a shell script to get the internal external marks from the user and check pass or fail. So for that program also we have to write vi. So this is the program for that. So what we are doing, we are getting the input internal marks from the user, similarly external marks from the user. Now we are getting 40 percentage of the external marks. So this is the syntax for storing data, and here we are given pipeline command. So pipeline command is used to concatenate two or more statement or Linux command. So here echo then em, then we have this is the multiplication sign into 0.4. Then we are giving your total grade is, then we are adding all the internal marks with external marks. And then here what we are doing, we are converting the floating number into integer number, because in this step we are going to compare integer and integer. So 50 is integer, that's why we are converting into integer. If it is float, then it will show some error. So then if marks is smaller than 50, then we'll print fail, otherwise we'll print pass. So now let's see what will be the output. So sh internal dot sh. So here we have to give marks 56, then external marks suppose 78. So it will show it is 7.2 and it is more than 50, that's why it's showing pass grade. So now the next question is we have to write a shell script to develop a arithmetic calculator. So for that we have to do, so this is the program. So what we are doing, we are getting the first number, second number, and we are getting the choice. So here we have used switch and case in Linux. So here case ch in, this is the syntax. Then if we give 1, then it will perform plus operation. So n1 plus n2 will get the output. Suppose we give second option, we will get the subtraction. If we give 3, then we will get multiplication of two number. If we give 4, then we will get division of the two number. So now let's see what will be the output for this. So suppose sh sh. Suppose I give two numbers 12 and 56. Now suppose I want to do multiplication of these two numbers, so I will get the output like this. So now in the next question we have to write a shell script to check whether the entered character is vowel or consonant. So we know what are the vowel character. So so this is the program for that. So in this, what we have to do, we have to enter any character. So through read ch we are getting character. Then this is the if ch equal to a e I o u and in small. So what it will do, it will check. Suppose we have given input as I, so it will check in this. So if I exists, then it will print true. Otherwise, it will print false. So whatever we give according, if that character is present in this array, then it will show vowel. Otherwise, it will show consonant. So now let's see the output for this. So it will ask for any character. Suppose I give E, so it will say vowel. Suppose again I want to check, suppose I give Y, then it will show consonant. So this was the second experiment in Unix and Linux lab. So thank you for watching this video.